Hello there! In this video, I share with you an easy to prepare Mauritian recipe that is perfect after a long day at work. It's called Rougaille Beef. If you are a Mauritian, you know what I'm talking about. But if you're not, Rougaille is in fact a recipe that is cooked with fresh tomatoes, garlic, ginger paste, thyme and chili if you want. Hi, I'm Salonee. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In this channel, I share with you unique and diverse recipes, Mauritian recipes, that is going to make your taste bud dance with delight. Rougaille is in fact a recipe that you can find in every Mauritian household. The amount that I state in the recipe is in fact for 5 to 6 people. However, you may adjust it to your preference. In this recipe, things go very fast. So you need to prepare everything beforehand. Are you ready to get a taste of Rougaille beef? Let's go. Once the tomatoes have cooked down, fold in the beef to the pan and cook for a few seconds until the meat is no longer rosy. Your Rougaille beef is now ready to be served. Garnish with freshly cut coriander leaves. This dish is best enjoyed with some steaming hot rice and any veggies that you have. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as my family does. Don't forget to let me know how it turned out for you in the comments below.